Hi Gemini, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for November 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being asked to use these oracle texts that I have here. Geminis, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of October, stepping into November 2021, we have the Hierophant. Possibly you were dealing with spiritual problems, or maybe you were also dealing with a past life issue. You may have realized as well that the problems that you're encountering in this life are all spiritual problems, because you know the High Priest in the deck is the Hierophant. Possibly many Geminis, you were sleep deprived, maybe you were also overworked, maybe your boss was even saddling you with excess responsibilities, but you needed to be tactful in this period. Also aware that other colleagues walk away with the plaudits, though they expect you to do the groundwork. Obstacles to overcome, all the challenges that November is going to present, is the Knight of Cups. Possibly Geminis, you will do well if you avoid unnecessary arguments. Maybe you're also assuming too much. I think you feel overburdened and overworked. Perhaps you're dealing with an assertive loved one. Maybe you feel that you always have to yield or give in or surrender to the whims of your loved ones. You think that you shouldn't always have to do the same, or you don't want to sacrifice yourself. This November, you will also do well if you will show some urgency. Maybe your clients and your colleagues feel that you need to rely on feedback. Basically, you should work in a systematic fashion. Influences for this month, we have the Knight of Pentacles. We do have 2 knights in your reading, so certainly there'll be reunions with friends or colleagues, maybe with loved ones as well. Nevertheless, I think the Knight of Pentacles is also asking you not to be in an offensive mood. I think Geminis, you will be retaliating if someone pushes you to the corner. Maybe there'll also be something quite distressing this month. There'll also be those work offers, but then they may not excite you. Perhaps your superior is also breathing down your neck this month. Maybe she wants you to hire someone she regards as an ideal candidate, but then you're going to ignore her suggestion. I think you want to get down to business. You don't want prying eyes at work. Other than that, Geminis, I'm also picking up that in case you're spiritually inclined, you will receive messages from the universe. Maybe you're also going to be quite kindly disposed towards others around you. The first 10 days of November, we have the 3 of Swords. You need to be careful of your words. Maybe your words could create discord in your relationships. Geminis, you're somebody who's going to be a quick thinker, but that doesn't mean that you speak without thinking. This is also going to be a challenging period. Maybe you have to devote long hours at work. The excess work could also leave you a bit exasperated. And in financial matters, I think you need to be a bit more careful. Maybe some of you could be accused of financial mismanagement. It definitely hurts your soul. Earlier in this reading, I did outline that the work environment could be a bit stifling. Maybe you're also dealing with rivalry here. Nonetheless, I think the first 10 days will also bring in opportunities to make gains. Maybe you should use your presence of mind. These 10 days, you should also guard against ill health. The next 10 days, that is 11th to 20th November, we have the 2 of Wands. Maybe there'll be discussions with your loved ones about how you should proceed in life or what you need to do. Maybe financial matters could also create discord in your relationships. You desire financial assistance here. In case you're making your way for an interview, I think you should be more polite or you should be more diplomatic. Maybe your attitude could be something which could rub members of the interview panel the wrong way. Geminis, in this period, money is something which will motivate you to do better. Maybe you feel that you are being overworked and underpaid. That is why you don't have that drive. But when money comes in, then it will do you a world of good. Actually, this is a time when you should negotiate and have your way. I think surprises are also on the cards for you in this time. Maybe there'll be reunions or there'll be shopping trips, or you need to declutter as well. Towards 21st to 30th November, we have the Wheel of Fortune. Fate is definitely at hand here. We do have the Queen of Cups to clarify the Wheel of Fortune. So certainly you are someone who's quite emotional, intuitive. I think this is going to be a very traumatic period for you. Maybe there'll be sudden changes as well. Sometimes, you feel as though everything goes haywire and antagonistic. Maybe you should be careful because little issues could snowball into big issues. You should be especially wary of a female figure who could stir up trouble in your life. Maybe someone is also trying to threaten your position at work. Perhaps you should not be coming across as someone who is quite egoistical. You need to deal with this person in a sensitive manner. Interestingly, it is you who is going to be quite sensitive in these final days. With respect to your love life, Geminis, we have this card, fear. Possibly, you fear that your feelings may not be reciprocated. We do have the Three of Swords here. So possibly you're dealing with heartache or separation of some kind. Maybe you feel you're going to be rejected or spurned. Ideally, I think Geminis, in case you're in a love connection, you should avoid tiffs. I think the distance between you and your person could also make you feel the pangs of loss. Maybe you should be more kinder or gentler with your words because there's a tendency to snub the person instead of being romantic. Other people around you could also be instrumental in creating fights. Nevertheless, Geminis, I'm picking up that there could be a possibility of a work-related romance. Maybe you fear that this relationship holds no promise. That is why you want to nip it in the bud. I think you should go with the flow rather than put an end to the beautiful relationship that is in the offing. This person could also be someone with whom you have had a relationship in a past life. Maybe you feel that your family could disapprove of this relationship. That is why you want to do away with it for good. We do have 2 knights in your reading, so certainly someone is coming in with that cup of love. Somebody wants to be the knight in shining armor here for you. To wrap up this reading, we have this card, Hummingbird, which talks about sweetness. Most definitely, Geminis, you need to enjoy life. I think good luck is definitely coming your way, even if there are disappointments that you have to deal with, even if the work environment is a bit oppressive. You need to be more flexible with all the changes in your life. Perhaps this change which is coming into your life is going to harden you. Basically, Geminis, this month you have to be present, be in the moment. You need to realize that the tide will turn, or the wheel will definitely turn sooner rather than later. I hope, Geminis, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.